Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, and I'll show you how to edit or remove home screen widgets on this device. So just to do that, you should hold for a while your screen with your finger, or also you can just slide with your two fingers at the same time to the center and you'll see the widgets icon. Here, as can you see, we got all our applications and the widgets that which we can add to our device screen. Here we got for example, as can you see here, here we got the 4 different types of widgets that we can add to our screen. So for example, we can go with the just digital clock, just hold for a while the digit and drag it, for example, here to this position. You can change the size of the widget by this way. You can make it bigger or smaller. We can move widgets on our screen, just hold for a while and drag it, for example, to the down right corner, or also we can move the widget between the screens by this way. As can you see here, we got the weather widget and the Google search widget, or also we can just create the new screens with the widgets help. Also, if we want, we can add the one more widget, for example the calendar one. We can go with the 4 different types of the calendar, for example with the calendar schedule. Just hold for a while and click here to add. By the same way, you can change the size of this widget. Okay, for example, we'll just make it bigger. As can you see, we can make this widget just with the size of our device screen if you want, if you just need. So if you want to just remove the widget, just hold for a while and click here to remove icon, and by the same way we can remove the second widget. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.